Hi guys, welcome to Vesna TV Home. Welcome to my fall home tour. So I'll talk through it. Let me know if you prefer music or me talking through. But anyway, this is a DIY. It's just like an upcycled Dollar Tree car that I made. It hangs on my door. This is in my hall when you walk in. I kind of have like a double hallway. I made this little crate and actually all of these things last year, and I just love using them in my home decor. If you're interested in any of these, please check them out over on Vesna TV DIY, where you can see how I made all of these. You'll see that in my home tour, I have mostly homemade DIYs, so I'm really proud of them. And then this is my front hall. I actually upcycled these tables and, sorry, these dressers, and I use them in the hall. I used to decorate in the corner, but I have another dresser like this, but the fish are there now, so I don't use it there. And then we move on to my family room. Again, all DIYs and thrifted items, such as these vases. Now, some of these, like the mini candelabras over here, I made last year, but these solo wood flowers, I made all of that stuff this year. So if you haven't had a chance to check that out, check it out. I show you how I dyed them. And then now I'm using in my fall decor. I just love them. I can't wait to use them at Christmas time too. They're really easy to work with. And then I have some other DIYs all around my family room, including pillows and my tier tray stuff. If you're interested in any of the tier tray stuff, I do have a video which I can link in here as well of how I decorated my tier tray. So I just want to show you some things individually. I made these cute little race car pumpkins for my boys. They love them. And then this was a trash to treasure item as well, which is very cute. And then my pillows, as I mentioned before. I made some last year, some this year. This little one that's up next did not make the cut for a DIY video as I had a really hard time with it, but I still am using it because I think it's a nice little fall addition. And then we're going to move on to our dining room. And these are just the two spots that I decorate. I used to decorate the kitchen too, but I've now gotten rid of counter space for decorating, so I don't decorate that anymore. But again, all DIYs made by moi. This is a formal dining room, so we use it occasionally. And this is a stovetop cover slash tray. So if you're interested in that, I have a video over on my home DIY, on my Vesna TV DIY channel as well. So this concludes the home tour. It was just a quick one. Hopefully you got a bit of inspiration. If you haven't started decorating for fall yet, it's a little bit later than I wanted it to be. I've had this decorated for a long time. And make sure you check out my home channel tomorrow because I will have my front porch decor. I'm so excited to have done this. I did it about a week later than last year, but I still got it done and I love it. So make sure you come back and check that video out. Thank you so much for stopping by and for watching. Have a great day and stay safe. If you haven't done your business of subscribing and hitting the notification bell, make sure you do that so you can see all new videos when I post them. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye now.